Dear students, we welcome you in the class sequence of 10th series virtual class 3rd. The topic is synthesis based on noun clause. We have gone through what is noun clause and how can we translate a Hindi sentence into noun clause. Now we will try to know how can we combine the sentences. This word synthesis is noun and its meaning is combination. It is also pronounced synthesize, and if we use e it is called synthesize and it means to combine. Now in this exercise we will combine 2 or 3 sentences based on noun clause. This type of sentences are faced in ICSE examination and CBSE syllabus. You find in error and omission, and UP board in class 12 you see there is a particular question to combine these sentences based on synthesis. Now we will see how we can synthesize. Let's begin with the first sentence. He has arrived, he said so. There are 2 sentences. We will have to identify which sentence is or may be principal clause. I am going to tell you an identification. You try to observe both the sentences, and in any one of these sentences, in any one of these 2 sentences, there will be a sentence with a specific word. You try to find out what is that word that contains that single word contains the rest part, or you can say the other sentence of these 2 sentences. He has arrived, he said so. This word so expresses the full expression of this sentence. He had said so. What so? She has arrived. That's why the sentence based on that sentence that expresses the other sentence fully, we write this in the beginning. He said that she has arrived, and has is changed into had because of the second form. That's why the combination is he said that she had arrived. In second sentence, what do you want? I wanted to know. This word know has the full expression of this sentence. What do you want? That's why this sentence will be written as a principal clause, as a reporting verb. I wanted to know. I wanted to know. I have written here. And what do you want? You know the rule. If any sentence is connected with principal clause, we change the structure, we change the syntax of interrogative sentence into assertive. You is at the 3rd number. We will have to write on the 2nd number just after question word. We don't use helping verb, we use assertive style sentence, and we will write what you want. This want is changed into wanted because this part is in past. That's why we wrote I wanted to know what you wanted. In sentence 3rd, she is very funny. Do you know? This word no has the full expression. She is very funny. That's why this sentence is written in the beginning. Do you know that she is very funny? We use that because there is no question. Whenever we have a question word, we don't use that. But there is no question, that's why we use that. And we write is simply is because there is present. You know, whenever our principal clause in present, we don't change the past of the next part of the sentence, or you can say subordinate clause. But you see, there is do. Do you want that she is very funny? This do, this is the part of the beginning. This is a principal clause. Whenever your principal clause is interrogative, we will have to put question mark at last. But when we change in between, we don't put question mark. Then our answer is do you know that she is very funny? Now let's come to sentence number 4. The teacher is saying something. Pay attention to it. Pay attention to it is a type of what or whatever. That's why we will change this a little bit and we will write pay attention to what or whatever your teacher is saying or say. जो कुछ in Hindi is written in what or whatever form. That's why we change it neither that nor any question word, but is specific जो कुछ word. That's why we combine the sentence with what or whatever. Then finally our sentence is pay attention to what your teacher is saying, or you can say whatever your teacher says, because teacher is singular. I hope you will come to know what is synthesis and how we can do synthesize the given sentences based on noun clause. And keep watching OSC Classes of English. Thanks.